Okay, pag-usapan natin ang dalawa ulit na nakakalitong words, the later and the latter. Ang later, ibig sabihin niyan mamaya pa. Hindi now, in the future, after some time. Ayan. That's why we have late, later, and latest. Mean to say, time ang pinag-uusapan natin. Example, I still need to finish some school works. Maybe I cannot join with you later. So, ayun. No? Kung gusto natin ng mga relatable pa na example, eto, sometimes the right person comes along, but not now. Maybe later. No? Like when I'm done healing and ready to love again. Ganun. Yung latter naman, ibig sabihin niyan, yung pangalawa, doon sa dalawang bagay. The second one of the two. Ibig sabihin, there are options provided, di ba? Example, between pizza and shawarma, I like the latter more. So, meaning, mas gusto natin yung shawarma. Ayon. So, sa mas relatable pa na example, pwedeng ganito. In choosing between peace of mind and chismis, I know I should choose peace, pero the latter is just so tempting. Like, girl, what's the tea? Diba? Ayan, to sum it up, yung later, ayun nga, time ang pinag-uusapan. Mamaya, in the future, ganon. Yung latter naman, yung second choice doon sa two options. Yun, parang comparison ang labanan natin dito. So next time you're caught in a convo about love, food, or life decisions, alam mo na kung kailan gagamitin ang later at latter. Use it wisely, like how you choose between self-love and kabaliwan. Choose the latter sometimes. Life is short. Yun lang. Bye.